Hi everyone and welcome to another Kingaru video. I'm Adrian Relias. On today's video, I'm quickly going to give you a quick tutorial on how to buy KRU coin on BitMart Exchange. We were listed there a few weeks ago and we're very excited to show you. Don't forget that you can still access KRU coin directly from Kingaru.com and save 20% off the listing price. For example, if it's listed at 20 cents at any exchange, you could get it directly from Kingaru.com for 16 cents. Okay, and keep in mind that we have a vesting schedule, which is a 4-month lock, 8-month vesting period. So before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. All right, guys, as you can see, I am in the BitMart website. A couple of options. You could buy, sell, markets, trade futures, earn, NFTs, and more. You could check your orders and what assets you had available. So most importantly, we're gonna first deposit USDT into this account. We're gonna go to USDT. We're gonna hit deposit. And now you have a couple of options to deposit USDT to this account. And I always recommend using either TRC20 or BEP20 to save on transaction fees, because you know Ethereum has a lot of transaction fees. So you want to try to avoid depositing it or using that to transact. If you're in America, usually what people do, they'll get USDT either from Coinbase or from a third party. I know that for the most part, my international friends, they buy USDT either from Coinbase or bigger exchanges. It doesn't really matter where you get it from. But what's important is that you transfer it to your BitMart account so you could actually use it to buy KRU coin. All right. So once that completed, I did a small transaction. I sent myself 29 USDT. All right. And I'm going to go to trade and I'm going to go to simple. And the way that you find KRU coin is very simple. You're going to go to search. I'm going to type in KRU, and as you can see, I already have it saved as a favorites pair. You can see the current price and the last 24 hours. I'm going to double click on it. Okay, so let's get down to business and we're going to scroll down, and today I'm going to show you the simplest way to buy it. We're not going to do a limit order. Don't forget that a limit order is more or less for trading, or you want to set the limit price that you want to buy, okay? But what we're going to do today, we're just going to hit on market just to keep it very simple. So click on market. It's going to give you the best price at the current market. I want to buy 100% of my I want to use 100% of my USDT. That's $29.53. I'm going to hit buy, and the order is placed. All right, I hope that tutorial was very simple to follow. Keep in mind that we're going to get listed on other exchanges, and the process is similar across the board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you enjoy the rest of your day.